The scale of the data centers in the US are phenomenally large. Each data center is a challenge. They are quite different, although they are the same product. They may be powered differently, they have a different electrical infrastructure, but ultimately, it's the size and the speed. These things need to happen quick, and when you see how many megawatts you're installing, it's a sight.
Data center power is going to be the challenge for the next decade, not only here in the US, but across the world, and we're poised to be able to provide that solution to data centers.
We've done projects that a lot of competitors won't. Our team will develop designs, spend the time, do R&D exercise so that we can have the projects that other people shy away from. For data centers, with the AI explosion, if you will, a lot faster and a lot steeper transients that we're trying to follow with the engines. We're going to try and implement some battery energy storage to try and smooth those transients out. We can then have Yambacher gas generation supplying the base load for the data centers, battery energy storage to smooth those transients out, and recovering the heat through absorption chillers to try and cool the data centers. So it's highly, highly efficient for the actual data center market. Standard generation without the heat recovery could be between 40–50% efficient. Obviously with us taking the heat as well, which would normally just get dumped, we're using that heat, which makes it a lot more efficient. So we don't just produce electricity, we produce thermal energy also, which would boost the efficiencies up there into the 80 percentile. We don't need to rely on utilities, so we can be that solution for the next wave of giga-sized data centers.
One of our projects is a large off-grid project where we're putting in approximately 227 megawatts to a data center facility. And that power is going to help that data center operate where the utility could not. A previous project I did was at a football stadium in the Northeast. And that site on game day uses 2.5 megawatts. This project is more than 100 times that football stadium. This is a project that some people didn't think could be done, but Clark Energy stepped up to the plate, took the challenge, and we put together a team that was able to make sure that at the end it was a success. The union between Clark Energy and Rehlko really is a bunch of passionate individuals coming together and pushing forward. What I've found is the type of person that's attracted to these companies are the people that are going to run through a wall on every given day, regardless of the challenge, and collectively you're able to overcome everything. You need to have the creativity to find a problem and then solve the problem, but a lot of it is also due to the size and scale. You need to bring together a team that is talented, can handle things, and delegate that to them and let them do their job.
What's great about the culture of Clark is we have engineering teams all around the globe, and we have teams of engineers that have come across so many different challenges. So the culture we have is, pick up the phone and speak to another engineer. It's a great culture and it solves a lot of the problems around the globe.
Values like innovation and curiosity are important when you're building a team, and thankfully I've been able to do that on this project where I know that the individuals that are leading facets or delivering the ground level work of us, everyone is focused on innovation and finding creative solutions to problems. So the next decade is going to be critical for American infrastructure, for data centers, and through our shared values and our commitment to innovation, Clark Energy and Rehlko are poised to take this partnership to the next level because of it.
I'm proud to be considered an innovator.
I am a Rehlko innovator.